Hello students, in this video I have given the shortcut for iron and steel industry. Only the key points I have given, so just listen carefully. The first shortcut is Bama prepared super varieties of chicken gravy. Let's see what it means. That is, iron and steel industry is a basic industry for machinery, and super means here yes you take, that is steel. Steel is useful for manufacturing variety of consumer goods. So the first point is over. Then the next one, India cops are important for country's development. So COP means police, right? So COP, CO consumption, P stands for protection. So in India, right? India means in you take. So production and consumption of steel is the index of country's development. Okay. Then the next shortcut is you just imagine this as a story. One shooting is going on. For that Aishwarya Rai came. For her, for Aishwarya Rai, 3 Coca-Colas and 1 lemon juice is ready for her, but she refused to drink that. She hardly asked mango juice. So what it means I'll explain now. That is Aishwarya Rai. So I you take, that is iron ore. That is for Aishwarya Rai I have given, right? So 4 iron ore 4. Then next one is 2 Coca-Cola. 2 Coca-Cola means 2%, that is 2 proportion. Coking coal. Coca-Cola means coking coal. Then 1, that is 1 lemon juice, that is limestone. Okay. So 4:2:1. Okay, that is the ratio of iron ore, coking coal and limestone. And she asked mango juice, right? That is manganese. So hardly asked, that is in order to harden steel, manganese is added. Okay, manganese is required. Then the next shortcut is, you know that iron and steel industry is a bulky industry. So for traveling it needs transport, that is good transport. Efficient network of transport is required. So transportation needs heavy cost. Okay, so this also you can relate it with the shooting. That is for shooting, that heavy cost is required for traveling, and they need to carry so many things, that is very bulky. So bulky and heavy cost for good transportation also required. So bulky and good transport. Then the next point is they have given about mini steel plants. Mini means small, and integrated steel plants. Integrated means all the things are happening in the same complex, that is one complex. So in one, so rhyming is there, so you just relate it. Okay, then you all aware that ST, that is steel. ST means it is tribes. We used to say ST means tribes, right? So tribal areas means nearby tribal areas, so many rivers are there, so we used to sail in that river, right? So sail, sail, that is most of the public sector undertakings are through SAIL, that is Steel Authority of India Limited. Okay, next you go for the population. You take population wise, China is first and India is next to it. Likewise you just imagine for iron and steel also, China is the largest consumer, then India. So China, then India. Then next point is Chotta Nagpur, that is Chotta means small boys. Small boys or small girls are having much concentration, maximum concentration. So Chotta Nagpur, maximum concentration. Then the next one is why the Chotta Nagpur plateau is having maximum concentration of this industry. That is there are some reasons. Okay, for that you just remember Chotta bro kept lovely cola pot at home. Let's see what it means. That is bro, that is Chotta means Chotta Nagpur. Bro means proximity of raw materials. Then lovely, that lovely you take LO, that is low. Low cola CO means cost. So low cost, and LA means output of labor. Okay, labor, LA labor. Then low output of labor. Then here pot I have given, right? So pot means vast growth potential in the home market. So potential in the home market. Then boost gives you energy, right? Boost gives you energy. So after drinking boost, you can lift pen and you can write anything, right? So boost. So which gives boost means to this industry means liberalization and foreign investment. LI stands for liberalization, FT stands for foreign investment. Okay, then the next shortcut is all red. That is all red means allocate some resources for research and development. Allocate, there is a need to allocate some resources for research and development. So these are the key points given under this topic. I hope you understood. You watch this video once or twice, then you can able to write all the key points easily. So I hope you understood. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video till the end.